A. A is for apple. A is for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for X. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. A for ant. A for X. B. B is for ball. B ball. B boy. B bat. B bear. C. C is for cat. C cat. C cow. C car. C camel. C cat. C cow. C car. C camel. D. D the dog. D the dog. D the drum. D the duck. D the deer. D the drum. D the duck. D the deer. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E egg. E eagle. E engine. Egg, eagle, engine. F. F for flag. F is for flag. F for fan. F for frog. F for fish. Fan, frog, fish. G grapes. G grapes. G girl. G gift. G goat. G girl, gift, goat. H. H is for horse. H hen. H hat. H hut. H hen. H hat. H hut. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. I for iron. I for ice. I for ink pot. I for iron. I for ice. I for ink pot. J is for joker. J is for joker. J jeep. J jacket. J juice. J jeep. J jacket. J juice. K. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K for kite. K for cattle. K for canal. K for kite. K for cattle. K for canal. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. L lamp. L ladder. L lock. L lamp. L ladder. L lock. L lock. M mango. M mango. M moon. M monkey. M magician. Moon, monkey, magician. N nest. N is for nest. N net. N nut. N noodle. Net, nut, noodle. O is for orange. O is for orange. O owl. O octopus. O ostrich. Owl, octopus, ostrich. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Peacock. P is pigeon. P peacock. P peas. P pigeon. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Q quail. Q quilt. Q quail. Quill, quilt, quail. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. R is for ring. R is for rose. R is for rat. Ring, rose, rat. S is for sheep. S is for sheep. S for snail. S for sun. S for shoes. Snail, sun, shoes. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. T tree. T tomato. T train. Tree, tomato, train. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. U urn. U unicorn. U utensils. Urn, unicorn, utensil. V is for vase. V is for vase. V for violin. V vegetable. V van. Violin, vegetable, van. W is for watch. W watch. W wool. W watermelon. W whale. Wool, watermelon, whale. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for Xerox. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yacht. Y is for yarn. Y is for yo-yo. Z the zebra. Z the zebra. Z the zero. Z the zoo. Z the zip. Please like, subscribe, share. Follow for more videos.